1 Minute 10 TRX. How CLD Invest redefines TRX mining. Welcome, crypto enthusiasts, to a groundbreaking exploration in the world of digital currency. In the next 60 seconds, prepare to be amazed as we unravel the secrets of TRX mining like never before. I'm thrilled to introduce you to an innovative force in the crypto space, CLD Invest. Hold on tight as we embark on a whirlwind journey through cutting edge technology, unparalleled expertise, and a passion for redefining what's possible in the world of TRX mining. Get ready to witness the fusion of innovation and efficiency, all packed into a 1 minute ride that will leave you astounded. But that's not all. In this video, you'll uncover the strategies, the vision, and the sheer brilliance behind CLD Invest's approach. They're not just mining TRX, they're mining the future. So, buckle up, crypto enthusiasts. Your 1 minute adventure into the world of TRX mining begins now. Get ready to witness the evolution, the excitement, and the unlimited possibilities as CLD Invest takes center stage. Are you curious to see how they're turning 10 TRX into a game changing experience? Well, you're about to find out. Without further ado, let's dive into the next level of TRX mining. Get ready for a mind blowing journey that will redefine everything you thought you knew about crypto mining. Let the countdown begin. Your path with CLD Invest. In this comprehensive tutorial, we're about to embark on an exciting journey, one that leads you to the world of TRX or TRON mining with CLD Invest. In the following paragraphs, we'll walk you through the process of registering and kickstarting your TRX mining adventure, all while shedding light on the remarkable entity known as CLD Invest. Introducing CLD Invest. CLD Invest stands as a distinguished and certified company boasting an impressive track record of 3 years in the field of cloud mining. In this period, they have earned a reputation for delivering a secure, reliable, and profoundly profitable experience to their ever expanding user base. Your gateway to TRX mining. CLD Invest is not merely a company, it's your gateway to the enticing world of TRX mining. With an unwavering commitment to excellence, CLD Invest has successfully combined cutting edge technology, extensive industry expertise, and a firm dedication to the safety and satisfaction of its users. 3 years of proven excellence. With 3 years of continuous operation, CLD Invest has honed its craft to perfection. During this time, they have navigated the complex realm of cloud mining with finesse, consistently delivering results that leave their competitors in awe. Security and profitability, hand in hand. One of the cornerstones of CLD Invest's success is its unwavering focus on security and profitability. They understand that in the world of cryptocurrency mining, trust is paramount. As such, CLD Invest goes above and beyond to ensure your investments are safeguarded while also guaranteeing impressive returns on your TRX mining endeavors. Join us on this exploration. As we dive into the world of TRX mining with CLD Invest, you're invited to join us on this exciting exploration. Whether you're a seasoned crypto miner or just getting started, CLD Invest promises an experience that transcends the ordinary. Get ready to register, start your TRX mining journey, and witness the unparalleled expertise of CLD Invest in action. Let's step into the future of cryptocurrency mining together with CLD Invest as your trusted guide. Register with CLD Invest, your key to TRX mining. Registering on CLD Invest is not only hassle-free but also entirely cost-free. In this section, we will guide you through the simple steps to initiate your TRX mining journey with CLD Invest. Step 1. Access CLD Invest website. Begin your registration process by visiting the official CLD Invest website, accessible at cldinvest.io. Your path to TRX mining excellence starts right here. Step number 2. Locate the registration button. Once you're on the CLD Invest website, look for the conspicuous registration button. This pivotal button is your gateway to unlocking the world of TRX mining opportunities. Step 3. Provide your details. Clicking on the registration button will lead you to a user-friendly registration form. Here, you will be prompted to provide some basic information. Email address. Enter your valid email address, ensuring it's one you have access to. Create a password. Craft a secure password for your CLD Invest account. We recommend a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters for added security. Confirm password. Confirm your chosen password by re-entering it accurately. Terms and conditions. To proceed, make sure to carefully review and accept CLD Invest's terms and conditions by checking the provided box. Step 4. Click Register. With your email, password, and agreement to the terms and conditions in place, the final step is a simple one. Click the Register button. In doing so, you'll set your registration into motion. That's it. You're now officially registered with CLD Invest, and you're one step closer to discovering the world of TRX mining. Your journey towards secure and profitable TRX mining experiences begins here. Navigating your path to TRX mining success. Upon successful registration with CLD Invest, you'll find yourself seamlessly redirected to your personalized dashboard. This digital cockpit is where the magic happens, giving you full control over your TRX mining activities and a clear view of your earnings. Let's take a closer look at what the CLD Invest dashboard offers. Your command center. Your CLD Invest dashboard serves as your command center, designed for easy navigation and user friendliness. It's here that you'll oversee and manage your mining endeavors with precision. Free mining power, 1000 gigahashes per second. As a welcoming gesture, CLD Invest grants you a substantial 1000 gigahashes per second of mining power entirely free of charge. This initial allocation sets the stage for your TRX mining journey, ensuring you're off to a promising start without any upfront costs. Track your earnings. One of the most exciting aspects of your dashboard is the ability to closely monitor your earnings in real time. CLD Invest provides you with a comprehensive breakdown of your income, making it easy to see the fruits of your mining efforts. Manage your mining activities. Effortlessly control your TRX mining activities through the dashboard. Whether you want to adjust your mining settings, allocate additional resources, or explore advanced features, everything is at your fingertips. Stay informed. Stay well informed about the latest developments in the crypto mining world. CLD Invest ensures you're up to date with pertinent news, market trends, and any updates related to your mining operations. User friendly interface. The dashboard's user friendly interface guarantees that you don't need to be a tech guru to navigate it effectively. Whether you're a seasoned miner or a newcomer, you'll find it intuitive and straightforward. Your choice, your coin. Initiating TRX mining with CLD Invest. As you embark on your TRX mining journey with CLD Invest, you'll be pleased to discover this versatility offered by this platform. CLD Invest supports multiple cryptocurrencies for cloud mining, allowing you to diversify your portfolio and explore various mining opportunities. In this section, we will focus on the process of selecting TRX as your preferred mining coin. A world of cryptocurrency choices. CLD Invest provides access to an extensive array of cryptocurrencies, each with its unique potential and appeal. Whether you're interested in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or one of the many other options available, CLD Invest caters to a diverse range of mining preferences. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, we will concentrate on the exceptional TRX coin. The TRX Advantage. TRX, also known as TRON, has emerged as a prominent player in the cryptocurrency landscape. Known for its high speed, low cost transactions, and vibrant blockchain ecosystem, TRX holds promise for both seasoned miners and newcomers. With a strong community and a visionary development team, TRX mining presents an excellent opportunity to engage with the cryptocurrency that has demonstrated consistent growth and innovation. Selecting TRX mining. To initiate your TRX mining venture, begin by navigating to the CLD Invest website. Once there, keep an eye out for the TRON coin option, which will serve as your gateway to TRX mining. By choosing TRX, you're taking a significant step towards harnessing the potential of this exciting cryptocurrency. Why TRX mining with CLD Invest? CLD Invest's dedication to security, profitability, and user satisfaction makes it an ideal partner for your TRX mining journey. With a user friendly interface, real time earnings tracking, and the assurance of free mining power to start, CLD Invest empowers you to make the most of your TRX mining experience. Power up your TRX mining, allocating your mining power with CLD Invest. As you embark on your TRX mining journey with CLD Invest, it's crucial to understand how to allocate your mining power effectively. Once you've registered and accessed your CLD Invest dashboard, you'll notice a prominent feature, the white slider button. This intuitive tool is your key to allocating your mining power as per your preferences. Here's how you can use it effectively. Step 1. Locate the slider button. Begin by identifying the white slider button on the dashboard. It's typically positioned in a prominent location, making it easy to find. Step 2. Allocate your mining power. To dedicate your entire 1000 GHS of mining power to TRX, simply click on the slider button and drag it to the right. As you move the slider, you'll see the allocation increase, ensuring that all your mining resources are channeled into TRX mining. Continuous TRX mining. Once you've set your allocation, the CLD Invest platform takes care of the rest. It will continuously mine TRX on your behalf, allowing you to sit back and watch your earnings grow. This hands free approach is one of the many advantages of using CLD Invest for TRX mining. Mining in the background. Another remarkable feature of CLD Invest is its support for TRON cloud mining. This means that even if you close the website or navigate away from the dashboard, your TRX mining activities will continue in the background. This level of convenience ensures that you can go about your day while your mining power works diligently to accumulate TRX coins. In conclusion, allocating your mining power to TRX with CLD Invest is a straightforward process. By using the white slider button, you can direct your entire 1000 gigahashes per second toward TRX mining, ensuring a seamless and profitable experience. With CLD Invest's support for Tron cloud mining, you can confidently explore the world of TRX without interruption, making the most of your mining journey. Tracking earnings with CLD Invest. Once you've embarked on your TRX mining journey with CLD Invest and allocated your mining power, the next exciting step is keeping a close eye on your earnings. In this section, we'll guide you through the process of monitoring your TRX earnings effortlessly. Show Statistic, your earnings hub. To access your earnings data, look for the Show Statistic option within the CLD Invest dashboard. This feature serves as your hub for all things related to your mining earnings. Hourly, daily, and monthly estimates. Clicking on Show Statistic opens up a window of opportunity, providing you with valuable insights into your potential earnings. Here's what you can expect to see. Hourly earnings. The window will display an estimate of how much TRX you can earn in a single hour based on your allocated mining power. Daily earnings. Beyond the hourly estimate, you'll also find the projection of your daily earnings. This figure reflects the cumulative TRX earnings you can anticipate over the course of a day. Monthly earnings. For a broader perspective, the dashboard will also offer an estimate of your monthly TRX earnings. This calculation takes into account your mining power and presents a clear picture of your potential monthly gains. Real-time updates. The beauty of the Show Statistic feature is that it provides you with real-time updates. As your mining activities progress, your earnings estimates will dynamically adjust to reflect the most accurate and up-to-date information. This ensures that you're always in the know about the fruits of your TRX mining endeavors. Plan and strategize. Armed with this essential data, you can plan and strategize effectively. Whether you're aiming to reinvest your earnings, withdraw them, or simply track your progress, the Show Statistic option empowers you to make informed decisions throughout your TRX mining journey. Options to increase mining power. While your initial 1000 GHS of mining power provides an excellent starting point for TRX mining with CLD Invest, you have the opportunity to supercharge your earnings through optional methods. In this section, we'll explore two avenues to increase your mining power and maximize your TRX mining potential. Option 1. Allocate more GHS to TRX mining. If you're eager to ramp up your TRX mining earnings, consider allocating more of your existing GHS to TRX mining. You can achieve this by adjusting the white slider button within the CLD Invest dashboard. By shifting the slider to the right, you can increase the portion of your total GHS devoted to TRX mining, ultimately boosting your potential earnings. Option 2. Harness the Referral Link Program. CLD Invest offers an enticing referral link program that enables you to gain additional GHS and earn bonuses while inviting others to join the platform. Here's how it works. Referral Link Bonus. When you share your unique referral link provided by CLD Invest and someone registers on the platform using that link, you receive a bonus of 3 cents in Dogecoin. This immediate reward acknowledges your efforts in expanding the CLD Invest community. GHS Increase. Beyond the initial bonus, your GHS allocation also receives a substantial boost. The more referrals you attract, the greater your GHS increases, further enhancing your mining power. Two-tier referral program. The CLD Invest referral program operates on two levels. Level 1. You earn a generous 12% commission on deposits made by individuals who directly register using your referral link, Level 1 Referrals. This commission provides a continual stream of rewards as your referrals participate in TRX mining. Level 2. Additionally, you receive a 5% commission on deposits made by individuals referred by your Level 1 referrals or Level 2 referrals. This two-tier structure multiplies your opportunities to earn commissions and increase your GHS. By strategically leveraging the referral link program, you can not only boost your mining power but also enjoy ongoing financial benefits as your referrals engage with CLD Invest. These optional methods allow you to take control of your TRX mining destiny and maximize your potential for success. And that wraps up our exploration of high excess. We hope you've enjoyed this journey into the world of excess and indulgence. Whether you're seeking inspiration for a lavish lifestyle or simply curious about the opulent side of existence, we've provided you with a glimpse into a world where luxury knows no bounds. As we conclude, remember that the pursuit of high excess can take many forms, from extravagant experiences to the finer things in life. It's about savoring the extraordinary moments, pushing the limits, and celebrating the abundance that life has to offer. We encourage you to continue seeking those moments of opulence that bring joy, excitement, and fulfillment. And remember, high excess is not just about wealth, it's about embracing the richness of life in all its forms. Thank you for joining us on this extravagant adventure. If you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe to stay tuned for more captivating content. Until next time, keep living life to the fullest and indulging in the beauty of high excess.